Hey, what's up, YouTube? What's going on? This Kenny's car channel again. I'm gonna give y'all an update on the 1984 Pontiac Parisienne Limited. I had to buy a brand new tank because the stuff that I got in the trunk didn't pop my gas tank. I didn't pop it wide open. I'm gonna show y'all too. This car be giving me the blues, but I love it though. Basically, I got 315s in the trunk, and with that being said, playing the music loud with that bass and the vibration, I didn't damage the trunk. Now I'm in the gas tank, so I had to basically buy a whole new gas tank, fuel tank to put on here. Get y'all a walk around on it. Need to be cleaned up, but I gotta put the new tank on now. Dealing with this car. Oh. Yeah, I done popped the tank.
I ain't worth a shit.
As y'all can see. Bought a brand new tank though, so it's gonna be ready. It'll be ready tomorrow. I'm gonna get up early and put it together. Got a small 3K tar amp on 315 sub dual voice cord. That's when you're dealing with these old schools and these old cars and that all that bass in the trunk, that stuff tends to happen. It probably won't be the first. It's the first tank, but it probably won't be the last. So I bought a brand new fuel tank. I'm gonna put on it tomorrow. And as y'all can see, it's brand spanking new. But what I did was I bought some of this Flex Seal stuff. I'm gonna put on the top and underneath it. So basically let that get into the system, get on there. So hopefully that gives it some extra protection. So hopefully I ain't gotta do it all over again. Yeah, and I can't say it enough. I thank all my subscribers. If you ain't subscribed yet, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Comment on, what I got going on. And I appreciate everybody in the love. I appreciate it. See Big Red looking good. Yeah, Big Red looking good. I got this basically for when I start going to them car shows this year. I could be comfortable. My Escalade was cool and all, but this thing right here, man, this a beast. You can take that thing anywhere. Other than that, that's basically it. I'm finna get to work before it get dark, so